Right. See, what is our last discussion? Explain clearly arithmetic operators. After arithmetic operators, input function I explained. So what is the purpose of input function? Taking the input from the user while program is running. But always it will take input in text format only, string text format only. That is. Then how can we perform operations on text? Conversion methods given. Using the conversion methods, we can perform int. It converts string to integer or any valid input to the integer. Float. Convert that string to decimal. Nothing but float type. Okay. Using these conversion methods, we can perform arithmetic operations or any operations using the text. Now, the first concept is relational operators. First of all, let me show you what all the operators: greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to, and not equals to. What relational operators will do? These operators return Boolean value when by validating the relation. Simple example. Suppose 5 and 3 are there. 5 is greater than 3. Yes, condition is true. Suppose 5 equals to 3. Condition true na? No. Condition false. Because 5 and 3 are not equal. Suppose 3 is not equals to 4. 3 is not equals to 4. Condition is true. Because both are not equal na? So the relational operators return a Boolean value true or false by validating the relation among the operators. By validating the relation, that is. Okay. And the same thing, what we are discussing, let me paste in the group. Okay. After this, now we are writing the program. You know that how to write. Just open IDLE. We are writing the programs in IDLE only. Here it is. After that, slowly we are installing the PyCharm, Spider and everything. I'll explain on all IDEs. First, we start with the basic IDE. Open the new file, editor. Here we are writing the program. After that, I'm saving the file by giving any name. Already I have given one name, same file I'm using. Now I'm explaining the relational operators. Taking two variables, a equals to 5, b equals to 3. Now I'm explaining clearly, directly with a formatting string statement. Formatting string f. A value greater than b value is equal to a greater than b value. A value 5 greater than b value 3 equals to condition. When you run this code, you will understand clearly. Look at this. 5 is greater than 3 is a true. Now this one I'm applying everywhere. Total 6 are there, na? I'm just copy pasting, that's it. Less than 5 is less than 3. 5 is equals to 3. 5 is not equals to 3. 5 is greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. Is less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. Just run it. Look at this. You will understand. See clearly if you want to show. Clearly, if you want to show, that is the simple way. Now let me copy everything in the group. Oh, sorry. Okay, at a time I'll share, don't worry. Okay, here it is. This is. Now what kind of questions they will ask? What kind of questions? This is just a relational operators only. Sir, what is the question we can expect? Simple one. Simple question. They will ask like this. We need to write conditions. In book also I have given conditions clearly. What are the conditions? Right? Write a condition to check the number is positive. Just to tell the number is positive. How can you check the number is positive? Anybody? Positive means what? Starting with 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are none. So any number, suppose n, variable is your wish, greater than 0. This is condition. All you need to do is just writing the conditions only. Nice. You keep on answering the questions, huh? No problem. You keep on answering the questions in the text box. Same. Multiple I am writing. You please answer. To check the number is negative. Everyone please quickly type your answers in the chat box. Everybody. Right. I'm asking here. So I'm checking parallelly the messages what you are dropping. Okay, na? Everyone. Right. N is or number is less than 0. Next. To check the number is not 0. Anybody? Number is not 0. Everyone, perfect. Number is not equal to 0. To check two numbers equal. To check two numbers equal. Two numbers means what? In your mind, two should come, two numbers. Two numbers you will store into two variables, na? Any variable, A, B, X, Y, N1, N2, number 1, number 2. Any two variables you should take. To check two numbers not equal. To check two numbers not equal. To check two numbers perfect. Variables, different variables I am writing. I don't want to make you confused, because what I am trying to say, any variable you can use in program. Just to explain that. Just to explain that I am writing this. Now, to check first number greater than second number. To check first number greater than second number. Everyone. To check first number greater than second number, right? A is greater than B. To check sum of two numbers equals to 10. To check sum of two numbers equals to 10. Everyone. Everyone. Writing, everyone, please write. To check two numbers equal. Perfect. Two numbers means AB. Sum of two numbers is A plus B. Equals to means please don't use single equal, double equal. Single equal means for storing. Double equal is for comparing. Single equal is assignment, double equal is equality checking. Next, to check first two numbers multiplication equals to third number. Two numbers multiplication equals to, see, whenever I am writing that, instantly you can easily convert into expression. Please write. Perfect. 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 Everyone writing. A is multiplied with B. Sum of first two numbers equals to third number. Okay. Now to check average of four numbers. Average of four numbers is greater than 60. How you will find the average? Just think. How you will find the average of four numbers? Suppose you have four subjects. Marks average you need to find out. Average is greater than 60 means what? First class you obtain. Sir, no? Yes. Don't use a predefined methods. Predefined functions don't use. If you know Python, please don't use. Because logics we are learning. Manually you need to write every logic instead of using the function. Simple. Everybody. Right. A, B, C, D by 4. The four subject marks is greater than 60. That is. Now see, to check the number is divisible by 7. Let me explain one point here. Suppose if it is a 14, 14 I am dividing. 2 times 14, yes, it is divisible, remainder is 0. Suppose if I am dividing 10 is a one time, here it is a remainder is a 3. When remainder is 0 is nothing but divisible. When remainder is non-zero, it's not divisible. So your condition should be using remainder. Using remainder we are using, not divided by. because here we are not giving the solution based on quotient. We are giving the solution based on the remainder. So please give everyone any number mod operation with 7. If you perform mod operation with 7 any number, remainder should be equals to 0. To check the number is not divisible by 4 or not divisible by 100, sorry, is useful in a leap year program. Check the number is not divisible by 100. Right. A mod 100 is not equals to 0. Yes, it is not divisible by 100. To check the number is even. Even number means what is even number? First think. Divided by 2 is divisible by 2. That's why. Others also quickly write, please. The number is divisible by 2 means what? Mod 2 equals to 0. Mod 2 equals to 0. That is. Got it. Next, this is important. To check the quantity of fruits exactly in dozens. Can you write? The quantity of fruits exactly in dozens. Very good. Others, please. Others also. Right. The quantity or Q or fruits, anything you can take, no matter variables. Exactly in dozens means what? It should be divisible by 12. It should be divisible by 12. That is. Now, to check square of the first number equals to cube of the second number. Square of the first number equals to cube of the second number. Right. We already discussed that. Normally, we write in two ways. Square of the first number means a into a equals to q of the second number means what? B into b into b. But here it is in Python. Simply you can write how? We already told you that a square. How we are writing this one? A square equal to b cube. In the last class, I explained clearly about arithmetic operators. In arithmetic operators, what is present? What is present in arithmetic operators? Exponent operator is there. That exponent operator we can use to find. How you will get the last digit? To check the last digit of number is 5. The last digit of number is 5. Last digit of number is 5. How can we check? Digit means, already I told you how you will get the last digit. Just perform the mod operation with a 10. Any number you divide with a 10. 2 times, 2 times. Remainder operation 20, and you will get 3 as a last digit. 3. Suppose 100 is there. 100 divide with a 10. 10 tenths are 100. So the remainder is 0. Because 0 is the last digit now. Any number you just perform the mod operation with a 10. You will get the last digit as remainder. Please write the code. Just write the expression to check the last digit is 5. Everyone. Nice. N mod 10 will give you the last digit is equals to 5. Now, to check the last digits of given two numbers are same. The last digits of given two numbers are same. Two numbers last digit are same. How you will check? Everyone. Perfect. First number last digit is equals to second number last digit. Same question. Sum of last digits of given three numbers is equals to 10. Right, everyone? Everyone, please try. Only few people are writing. No, sum of last digits of three given numbers is 10. Please check, Yamini. the first number last digit plus second number last digit plus third number last digit sum is equals to 10. Equals to 10. Three numbers last digit sum. So you need to add, right? Is equals to 10. So don't worry first time. So if you keep on practice this after completion of class, everyone will get, not a big thing. Don't worry. But try everyone. Sum of first two numbers equals to first two numbers last digits equals to square of the third number. Think of it and write. Writing. Square of the third number, not cube of the third number, we know. Check. Sum of first two numbers last digit is equals to square of the third number. C into C also you can write, no problem. Okay. Na? First and second numbers are equal when we remove last digit of second number. Write the condition for this. Is nothing but, let me explain. First number is 3. Last number is a 38. If you remove the last digit from the second number, these two numbers are equal. Sir, how I will remove the last digit? See, suppose same story. In 23, when you perform the division operation, 2.3 times, na? 2.3 times. But in quotient, in 2.3, right, this decimal part you have to remove. How? Floor division operation. Floor division operation with which value? 10. With which value? 10, 10, 10. See, the first number is equals to that last second number when you do like this. Suppose the first number is a 5, second number is a 57. How you remove this 7? You need to divide the number with a 10. 5.7 you will get. From 5.7 you need only 5. So 57 not by 10. By 10 means 5.7. 57 double slash 10. In 5.7 only 5 you will get. Hello? Yeah, చెప్పండి. అవునవునండి. అవునండి. అవునండి. ఓకే. సరే ఒక్కసారి నేను ఒక్కసారి కాల్ చేయను. నేను క్లాస్‌లో ఉన్నాను. అవగాహన ఒక్క 10 మినిట్స్. ఓకే. రైట్. హోప్ యూ గాట్ ద థింగ్. /10 ఓకేనా? /10. Hope you understood. Okay. Next. See, sir, here it is all these conditions we have written where we use all these conditions. Where we use all these conditions. Exactly. Only one simple concept is called. First, write this one also. Check the person can vote or not. Can vote simply. We'll start from this. Voting is based on what? Age. How much? Greater than 18, greater than or equals to 18. Greater than or equals to 18. Yes. Greater than or equals to 18. That is. Okay. Right. Now, where we are using all these things, conditional operators, simply to understand one concept called conditional statement is a if-else block. Remaining also there, but is a simple one. First, we will discuss this one. If-else. Here, whenever you are working with conditional statements, one point you need to understand in Python is called indentation. Indentation means what? Proper use of spaces while writing statements. If you violate indentation, if violation, violate, results error message. Results error message. So what is that? I'll explain one example. So you please practice along with me. Here, I am not reading. We know how to read. That is followed by. I'm just taking one number. Directly, I'm taking the number, whatever later. Check the number is even number or not. How to check if? In parenthesis, without parenthesis also, we can write. I'll show you. If the number is divisible with 2 equals to 0, colon. In other languages, braces, right? But in Python, colon. Look at this. When you enter, automatically it is giving one tab space. You should maintain that tab space. That is actually called indentation. Suppose if you write from the beginning, you will get error. Print even number, else print odd number. See, I'm trying to execute this code. I'll get error message. Okay, this one I'll change it. This one I'll change it. Is error. Look at this. Expected an indented block after if statement on line number 4. Exactly tab. Exactly tab. Tab space we are providing. Run it. Odd number because it is a 13. Is a 13. This is one way of writing. This is one way of writing. Next one is. Sir, I'm not writing parenthesis. No need to put it in parenthesis. I'm giving here 8. 8 is what? Even number. See, even number you got. That is also allowed. That is also allowed. Second way of writing. Sir, I want to read. I don't want to take the value directly. So we ask input, enter number. But it will give string, na? String. That string you should convert into integer. Directly, you can write like this. So you need to practice this one today. First, this message will display on the screen. On console, it is expecting a number from you. That number, what you are entering, that input function will collect in which format? In a string format, it will return. That string format, you need to convert into integer type, so that we are storing into the variable called n. Got it? Just run the code. Here we are providing the number. Any number you can give. Let me give 32. When you just enter, it is showing that even number. This is the one. Everyone, please practice this program. Only this program. Quick practice, everybody. Please drop the code in the chat box. Let me check. 1, 2. Only 2 people written. Remaining, please write quick. Everybody. Venkat, write the complete code. One line writing. Please write the complete code. Okay, na? It's perfect. Clear message you have given. Sampath. If you want to display the given number is even or not, F string, right? N is even. F, N is not even or odd. Anything. This is also the way. Nice way. Here it is 13. 13 is not even. Like that it is giving. With a formatting string, formatted output if you want to give. Every code in the same way. What all the codes I explained. For example, check the person can vote or not. Just write the code. This is what check the number is even or not. Now quickly write. Check the person can vote or not. Using if else block. Write your code in the chat box quick. Check the person can vote or not. Drop in the chat box. Fast. Right. I'm just copying someone written. Next biggest of two numbers. Read two numbers. Read two numbers A and B. Then write the code biggest of two numbers quick. Biggest of two numbers. I will not jump. Just take the two numbers. Let me copy that someone written. That is just n1 and n2. n1 greater than n2 or n2 greater than n. That's all. For every relational operator, what we have discussed today, just practice that if else block. How to write if else block. Around 25 conditions we have written. If it is okay, if else is easy means what? Don't write. If it is not easy, write all the 20 programs, no problem. That's enough. Got it? I'll share this document in the group, so you please practice. Tomorrow class, logical operators and all conditional statements like where we use if exactly, if else if, and nested if, I'll explain. Okay, na? I'll share the document in the group. You can leave for today. Thank you.